Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice juice using an easy method. First, take 1 cup of rice and rinse it well under cold running water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch. Next, place the clean rice into a bowl and add 2 cups of fresh water. Let the rice soak for a minimum of 4 hours or even overnight to soften it properly. After soaking, carefully pour the rice and its soaking water into a high-speed blender. It's important to use the soaking water as it contains valuable nutrients. Blend the mixture on high for about 2 to 3 minutes. You want a very smooth consistency, almost like a thin batter with no visible rice grains remaining. Now place a fine mesh sieve or several layers of cheesecloth over a clean bowl. Pour the blended rice mixture through the sieve. Use a spoon or your hands to press down on the solids, extracting as much liquid as possible. This step ensures your rice juice is smooth and free of any gritty bits. Discard the remaining pulp. Your fresh rice juice is almost ready. For a touch of sweetness, you can stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey, maple syrup, or sugar, adjusting to your taste. Give it a good stir until the sweetener is fully dissolved. For the best flavor, chill the rice juice in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before serving. Enjoy your homemade rice juice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.